This is chapter 5. We're mainly focusing on decimals. As promised, I'm just gonna make videos of this whole chapter. And as mentioned before the term ended, you'll have some holiday homework to do. So make sure that you catch up on the slides that I've mentioned already on Google Classroom. Please make sure you take down the notes and you do the chapter questions as I'll be checking it first day back next term. Right. First thing we're going to learn about decimals is place value. So we're going to learn about the place value and how to compare and convert decimals. Hopefully by the end of this video, you can identify the place values of digits after the decimal point, compare them to see which one's bigger or smaller, and you can convert them. So first of all, what's a decimal point? Decimal point separates the whole number part from the fractional part. Digits to the right of the decimal point are with less than one whole. So you have a number here, 428.357. If I were to arrange it in a table, this is how it would look like. As you can see, oops, I'd like to undo that, please. This here. This here is a decimal point. So you got 400s, 2 10s, 8 1s, 3 10s, 500s, and 7,000s. And if you just combine them all together, this is the number that you make. So, what is the value of the digit 8 in the following numbers? So, just highlight where you see 8, and then you're just going to match them where it is. So, my 8's in the first one, this is pretty much in the tenths. For my second example, this is more in the thousands. And if you just compare that to the table, the reason why it's thousands is because it's the third number away from the decimal point. For this one here, you got the digit 3. So over here, I got hundreds. And then I got tenths again. Key place values. These are denominators with zeros. So just to help you out, so you got the place value of tenths. If you write it as a fraction, it is 1/10. And then as a decimal, it's 0.1. You got hundreds, same thing, 1/100. And then you end up with 0.01. And finally, thousands, 1/1000, 0.001. Oh, what's happening? Whoa. I express each of the following fractions to decimals. So you got 7/10, just referring to the table. I got a 10 as a denominator and the 7 in the numerator, so it's just going to be 0.7. 5/100. So look over here, you know it's got hundreds in here, so it'll be 0.05. So the number that you typically put in is based on what the numerator is. Finally, you got 3 and 17/100. You can just do 3 wholes for now, because that's what the 3 represents. And then you focus on the fraction here, 17/100. So it'll just be 1/7. And for this, I'll just fill this in really quick. Like so. Comparing decimals, place the correct symbol. So you got 2 arrows highlighted already. Just as a refresher course, this typically means less than. This means greater than. You may have your own methods that you were taught from primary school. You can still use that same thing. It just ends up working the same. You just need to know which one's bigger or smaller. So I got 3.5 comparing that to 3.7. I know 3.5 is smaller than 3.7, so I'm just going to put this symbol here. The best way to remember is where the mouth is open, that's where the bigger number goes, okay? So it'll be like so, like here. And then we got this one here. Like that, and like that. These are the questions you got to do. Enjoy. Take care.